everyone. Visit our website www.srushti.patil.sp if you want to buy any craft materials. Recently, we updated new clear stamps, MDF designs and colorful wooden clips. Today in this video, I'll show you 5 techniques for making mini hangers for wardrobe gift box. So let's move towards the first technique. For making hangers using this technique, children must take help of parents or elder people for their safety. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. I used this technique for making mini hangers for my wardrobe gift box. But since some of you might find this method a little difficult, you can use other methods also. Second technique is the easiest among the lot. You just need a piece of paper for making hangers using this technique. Draw your hanger design on the paper and follow the next steps as shown. Third technique is again a bit difficult and children should seek help from elders for their safety. This technique is similar to the first technique. cut the excess wire of the hook and then glue it to the paper as shown. I am using molding wire. Follow the next steps carefully to learn how to make mini hangers using this technique.